What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking a quick look at a knockoff S22 Ultra smartphone. Now, it's in this box here, but the box says smartphones. Now, I know I only order one phone, so that right there tells me that something's up with this device. Guys, we're going to be taking a look at the SANSHREUNI C21 Ultra. You can pick this phone up on Amazon, and I will drop the link and I will drop the page on Amazon so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. But this phone allegedly has 6 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage, it's 5G fingerprint sensor, and it has a 24 megapixel camera, 48 megapixel camera with a 6,000 milliamp hour battery. Now, if this all seems too good to be true for $159, I assure you it probably is. But let's go ahead and jump in and take it out. Check it out. For all those people that say I talk too much in the videos, well, I won't do too much talking in this one. You're welcome in advance. So let's go ahead and open it up, see what we get. We won't be doing too much of a deep dive, but I think this will be a cool video. Right off bat, let's take a look at the phone itself. Now, you can't tell me this does not look like a S22 Ultra. These camera modules are huge, by the way. The phone itself, very slick, and as you can see, within seconds, already got a bunch of fingerprints on it, but it is a nice design. As far as build quality, I'm trying to get some squeaks out of it, and I can't really get any squeaks out of it. Definitely a fingerprint magnet. For $150, I feel like they did a good job of mimicking the S22 Ultra. I'm sure this does not have true 6 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. As you see, is not edge-to-edge display. It's not an edge-to-edge display. The screen does not come all the way down to the corners of the display, but it is $160. While this powers up, let's just take a look at what you get in the box. Looks like we get headphones and their USB Type-C. Not a terrible quality for the headphones either. What is this? This looks like our charging cable. I don't even have to tear this up for you to see it, but I will. So we're looking at USB Type A, USB Type C. We also get an included, if I can get this thing out of here, charging brick. Oh, they really got this stuck in here. I might need a knife for this or something. There we go. Standard charging brick. I don't think there's anything too special about this charging brick, but it's nice of them to include it. Screen protector. Looks like you get a case. Some ejector tool. And, and this looks like a stylus. So this really is trying to mimic the S22 Ultra, except for it doesn't look like there's a place for you to actually put the stylus into the phone. And is it powered up? I really want to see how well this works. The phone does run, well, you know, we just started the phone up, but it does run fairly smooth right now, especially for a knockoff. Let's actually go into the settings and see exactly how much storage and stuff you have. Storage here. So device storage, well, it says 26.32 gigabytes total use of 256. So maybe it legitly does have 200 and see if you guys can see this, 256 gigabytes. So it also looks like you can use an SD card too. So up to 125 gigs. All right, I give them that. What about the memory here? So you actually do get 6 gigabytes of memory. 4.8 gigabytes are free so far. Okay, the C21, I mean, if this is a first-time phone for somebody, or you're on a budget, you don't want to spend a whole lot on phones because you know that they break, you drop these, maybe this might work for you. Does the Play Store actually? I'm sure I need Wi-Fi, but I don't know. Let's see if we can do anything with this stylus. So are there any apps that can take advantage of it? What happens if I mean, because it has a flat or a rounded bottom to the stylus, it can be used to scroll. So I guess there's that. I don't know, something about this phone just feels a little off, and we're not going to do an extreme deep dive, but I was just trying to see if there's some kind of app that I can take advantage of the stylus with. But in the meantime, while we look for that, let's just check out the camera, and then I'll throw up the picture that I take so that you guys can see. Just take a picture of this mug. The shutter speed on the camera is a bit laggy. And I guess, I mean, the box said smartphones and only one phone came in the box. So what else can I expect here? I'll just take one more picture so you guys can see. We won't do too much of a deep dive. I just thought this was a fun device to pick up off Amazon that people might be interested in. Definitely for a first time phone, this might be a good deal. But if you want something, you know, a little more probably reliable, and I'd say closer to the mid-range smartphones that we all love, like the S23 FE, I think it's called, the S23 FE, something like that. Even though that's about $650, I think that this phone might do the trick for people that it's their first time getting a smartphone. So guys, we won't do too much. I just want you guys to take a look at this with me. And so you let me know what you think. If you'd be picking something up like this is just an unboxing, first impressions. Let me know your thoughts on the C21 Knockoff S22 Ultra. Guys, I'll catch you on the next one. If you like more videos like this, we'll be taking a look at another knockoff phone shortly. This one is supposed to mimic the S23. So let me know what you think. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.